When I was 16, I got my first car. It was a little Honda Civic. My buddies were super into cars, and they kind of opened my eyes to what the car could be, and they helped me work on it and put in cold air intakes and exhausts on it, making small amounts of power, but noticeable amounts of power on such a light car. And it just brought me into the community, brought me into cars, and it was so much fun to drive around and be a part of that. I'm actually building my dream car. I crashed my old car, which was a Subaru WRX, and I really was heartbroken over it, and I really wanted to build another one, but I didn't really have the funds for it. And my buddy, he actually bought me a Subaru Outback body that was a wagon, and someone that really likes you as a friend that much to give you a car like that, just out of the blue, no questions asked, was really, really heartfelt. I love wagons because it's the ultimate family car that you can make into a race car, and even people that don't like Subarus will come up to me and be like, I love the wagon. And you actually have storage space, so you can throw a kayak in the back, throw your skis in the back. I don't know, I just love wagons. I did everything from a wiring harness swap, engine swap, drivetrain swap, and now I'm building a wide body for it. So I've touched about every bolt on the car now, and putting my hands on something and seeing results from it and feeling the results after a project's finished, it's just the best feeling. Yeah, so coming out of high school, a lot of people feel an intense pressure to go to a university, to get a college degree, because society tells you that you need it to get the job you want, but I don't think that's true at all. Like, I tried out the university, it wasn't for me. I knew what I wanted to do. I went to WyoTech, and I've never regretted it since. The hands-on experience, the shop time over classroom time is awesome. All the instructors are there to help you and put you towards your dreams, and yeah, it's just a great school, great experience. Everyone here is just happy to be here. We're all learning the same things, so we all have the same passions, so it's really easy to make friends. Yeah, I could not recommend this school more.